Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a filing that's about to take off faster than a plane powered by sustainable fuel. Get ready for a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC, deal that promises green skies but might have a few bumpy air pockets along the way. We're looking at an 8K filing from Focus Impact BH3 Acquisition Company. This is a quick update report filed with the SEC, the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is like the financial police, and it tells investors about big events happening at the company. In this case, it's all about a major merger or business combination and a vote that could change everything. This filing checks a box about written communications related to a business deal. It's like saying, hey, we're talking about this merger, and here's the official word. Focus Impact is a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company. Think of it as a blank check company. They raise money to buy another company and take it public. In this case, they are planning to merge with XCF Global Capital. This is called a business combination agreement. It's just a fancy term for the deal they made to combine the two companies. To get this deal done, Focus Impact needed to get approval from their stockholders, their investors. They put together a document called a proxy statement, which is like a detailed explanation and sales pitch all rolled into one. This document tells the investors everything they need to know to make a decision, and it gets mailed to stockholders. On February 27th of 2025, Focus Impact held a special meeting for its investors to vote on this business combination. Almost everyone showed up either in person or by proxy, meaning they voted ahead of time, representing 84.12% of all possible votes. This means enough people voted to make decisions. The big news here is that the investors said yes. They approved the business combination proposal, meaning they are on board with the merger with XCF Global Capital. All the votes, every single one of them, were in favor of the deal. Nobody voted against it and no one abstained. Now that the vote is done, the company expects the deal to close in March of 2025. After that, the combined company, which will be called XCF Global Inc., plans to start trading on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol SAFX. A ticker symbol is just a unique set of letters that identifies the stock on the stock market. Not everyone is completely thrilled, though. Some stockholders holding over 1 million shares of stock decided to cash out, meaning they took their money and left before the merger actually happens. They used their right to redeem their shares, basically saying, thanks but no thanks, I'll take the cash. For those stockholders who want to pull out, they can contact Continental Stock Transfer and Trust Company, which is Focus Impact's transfer agent, the company that helps manage ownership. Now here's the part where the company reminds everyone that the future is uncertain. This section is called Forward-Looking Statements. It's basically a disclaimer saying, we're making predictions, but things could change. There are many possible risks, including changes in the economy, legal problems, or just plain not being able to get the deal done. One of the risks is that the deal might not actually happen. They need to meet certain conditions, and if those aren't met, the deal could fall apart. They also need to get the green light from regulators, the government agencies that oversee these types of deals. If those approvals don't come through, or if they come with unexpected requirements, it could throw a wrench in the works. XCF is trying to integrate New Rise Renewables, which has this plant in Nevada. If they can't get it running smoothly and start making money, that could be a problem. The disclaimer also mentions a bunch of other risks that could affect the company. This includes changes in laws, the availability of tax credits, and protecting their intellectual property, their inventions and ideas. And of course, they say that these are not all the risks and there may be new risks that they don't even know about yet. So what does it all mean? Focus Impact is trying to merge with XCF Global, a move that could get them listed on the Nasdaq and accelerate the growth. The hope here is that XCF can capitalize on the rising interest in sustainable aviation fuel, or SAF, and become a major player in that industry. However, there are several things that can go wrong. The redemptions mean that Focus Impact will have less cash on hand after the deal closes. The risks highlighted in the filing are pretty standard for any merger, but they're still important to keep in mind. Overall, this looks like a potentially interesting move by Focus Impact. The market for sustainable aviation fuel could be huge, but there are plenty of challenges along the way. Whether XCF Global can overcome those challenges and deliver on its promises remains to be seen. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more Corporate Decoder videos.